Use this hair oil if you want thicker and healthier hair. Pallure's Save Our Shine transparent oil is lightweight and great for all hair types. It's formulated with avocado oil and rosemary to help strengthen your strands. We added hyaluronic acid for an extra boost of hydration to your hair. You can use this oil on clean, damp hair or on dry hair for instant shiny results. If you struggle with frizzy hair, then this oil is perfect for keeping your strands sleek and soft. Using it multiple times throughout the day won't weigh your hair down. This hair oil can be used daily to achieve thicker and healthier hair. This 10-minute hair mask is a miracle worker for dry and damaged hair. Pallure's Miracle Bond Hair Mask is a bond-repairing, ultra-nourishing treatment that'll revive damaged hair. It's made with avocado oil and rosemary to help strengthen your strands and leave it looking fuller over time. It has a thick texture to deeply condition the hair, but without weighing the hair down. Avocado is rich in vitamin E and B, which reduces breakage and adds immense shine. The formula also contains hyaluronic acid for extra hydration and soft hair. Use this mask once a week to start seeing healthier-looking results.
This has become my favorite hair mask. I mean, clearly it's pretty much empty. From Pallure. My hair has gotten so dry at the bottom from heat damage, and I've lost my curl big time. I'm talking about my hair became straight. So I've been doing this a few times a week. I just grab a bunch of this and scrunch my hair, and I promise you my wave is coming back. Like, a wave is coming back. It's helped so much with my dry ends. I have so many hair masks, and because my hair got so dry, I tried them all and realized this is the best. If you have dry hair, breakage, just pretty much damaged hair, this mask is phenomenal. It has biotin, it has keratin, and then a bunch of other oils that are good for your hair. Also, it's sulfate and paraben free. Do not use any hair products with sulfates. Just don't do it. I've been using Pallure for years.